This guy should never start a road rage competition again. Racing or cutting off after pulling over for an ambulance might be my biggest pet peeve on the roads. In this video, keep an eye out on the red truck here, cause stuff is about to get real. Road rage is bad, but at least it was only a water bottle and not anything dangerous.
Guys yelling and screaming at me. There it goes. Dude, psychopathing. He's still yelling and screaming. He's gonna kill me.
Road rage at its finest.
Difference to us what we care about, but just pointing that out, something to monitor. Yeah, I mean, analytically, he looks great. He's massive. He's got a breakout age of 19.4 years old. He put up a ton of yardage, a ton of catches and touchdowns the last couple of years. Breakout age of 19.4 years old. He put up a ton of yardage, a ton of catches and touchdowns the last couple of years.
Oh,
and,
got him!
You know, I put on his film, the first play or first game I saw. I went back all the way to 2022 because I was like, I want to see how Jason likes to watch the most recent year. I like to watch a few games from each season to see like how they progress. The first game, 3 plays in, it is a ridiculous sideline one-handed grab, which is like Odell Beckham-esque type of catch. And I was like, okay, this is going to be very fun. And he has those types.
You didn't see the undercover cop, did you?
With a car coming.
Wow. I'm surprised that car did not hit his horn. I'd have been...
Car coming.
Wow. I'm surprised that car did not hit his horn. I'd have been...
Missed your exit? No problem. Just stop and slowly crawl across 3 lanes.
Every 5 minutes.
Yeah. And you go into it knowing you're either getting knocked down or submitted, or you're doing that to the other person.
Oh, that would be real. But again, the casuals would have a hard time with it because it would probably be a much more moderate pace, or unless someone just tries to go for it right off the bat.
Yeah,
and
that could be a strategy.
Sure, I mean it does work.
There was
who was it? Mota and the other guy from Azerbaijan. See if you can find See if you can find his name. Salikov. Fuck. I hadn't seen him fight before.
What weight class was it?
I think it was 45.
Apparently stops at red lights are optional in Kingston.